Hey guys, I just got back and I have a 323D dedicated track skid steer here, the John Deere. Clearly it's still in the package. There's the price tag and the company that made it. Picture of the real machine on the side. And then some interesting facts. Net power 63 horsepower. Operating weight 8,550 pounds. Bucket breakout force 5,600 pounds. Tipping load 7,175 pounds. And they all seem to do this. My case did that too and stuff like that, but that's kind of cool to have that there. So I'll take it out of the box here for you guys. Okay, well, came out of the box very easy. Didn't need anything special to do it. But yeah, here it is. Has a windshield wiper here. And the door opens up. Not very far, but... And then had the safety bar right here and the joysticks inside. Very nice detailed machine. Very, very nice. Back here has there's panels right here that come on and off that go in here, but you have your air filter here, your radiators back here, your fuel goes in there, your hydraulics maybe, not exactly sure what this tank is, but all the pulleys. Let's see if I can get like the pulleys and the belt. So that's pretty darn cool. Got the lights, exhaust, tailpipe right there. Has counterweights on it here. Sorry, sometimes I shake. The muffler, some hoses and the engine. Wow, that's cool. Right there is the oil filter. Got the alternator right there. Very, very cool and detailed. In the side here, tracks. I don't know, maybe on some wood or something they would roll. Well, there they go. It's kind of butt heavy, but. And then you have different attachments that can go on it. You have the regular scoop bucket here, and here you got an auger that can go on it. So we'll put the bucket on. Just goes up there and slides in. Good dump on it. Take the bucket off. Put the auger on. There you go. And you got your auger. And these are for the hydraulics. Those are supposed to be the hoses that go up there and connect into that. So I guess maybe just put them through the handle that's up there. So there's your auger. It spins. The hydraulics are the cylinders are very stiff. Very, very much not going to drop on you whatsoever. The panels, well, I don't know. I've never put the panels on. Obviously, I just got out of the box. Doesn't look like it'll be too hard though. I'll just put this on pause and figure this out a little bit. Okay guys, well I figured it out. It took me maybe 3-4 minutes to figure it out. Oh, look at there. This actually opens too. So you can see in it even better. I just now realized that. Cool. Okay, so we'll close that up. And what you do, these pegs here go towards this part of the machine. Go in there. And you and of course now I'm having troubles doing it. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put them on and continue this. Okay, well the panels are on. This one took me about 20 seconds to put on. This one took 5. So once you figure it out, it's not a big deal. But yeah, like I mentioned before, this opens up. Then you have your fuel there, and your radiator fluid goes in here. And still a little butt heavy with the auger on it and stuff, but so yeah, I really like this thing. I think it's very, very nice in detail. Again, it's the 323D John Deere dedicated track machine. Right here, that's for your high flows and stuff. You put the hoses on and stuff there, like I mentioned before. But yep, very well built, very heavy. Lots of metal. Yeah, this here is plastic, but very, very well built machine, and I would highly recommend it for people for the collection. But till next time, guys. Oh, here. Let's see if I can even take this off. Show you how easy it is. Yep, that's how easy it comes off. It really isn't that big of a deal. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please give us a thumbs up. If there's any other stuff that you'd like to see, let us know, and we'll try to get it up there for you. Till next time, guys.